guys, welcome back to a brand new episode. Today I'm gonna be talking to you guys. I'm thinking about making one final big purchase for the G35 that I think will be pretty cool. It'll set the car apart. I think it looks cool, a little pricey, but I think it'll be worth it 100%. Also guys, last video we went over every single mod that my G35 has and how much it costs if you want to buy those parts. We also included the supercharger and all our stuff that we're gonna be installing very soon. We added all of that into the price, so check that video out. And with that being said, I do want to send a special shout out to Says, I'm sorry to mispronounce your name, brother. I really don't know how to say it, but he gets 25k, and also to Giovanni, the G35 fan, who guessed around $24,800. I had you guys guess before the video how much money you think we spent building this G35, and those two people were able to guess the number within a $500 range. Huge shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for the support, and without further ado, let's continue the video. Also, if you guys want a chance to get shouted out in next video, all you gotta do is comment down below. We're gonna go ahead and open up the garage because we're gonna head over to my friend Robert's house. We're gonna help him a little bit with his Miata, hopefully, and then we're gonna go to a meet later at night and see what kind of cool builds we see. But let's go ahead and start the G35 with the control. I haven't done that in a hot minute, so let's go ahead and do it. 1, 2, 3. Should go ahead and start. There you go. Sweet. Now this mod that I'm talking to you guys, that I'm thinking about making it its final purchase, we already purchased the supercharger. We pretty much completed the performance side of it. The exterior looks awesome. I'd probably just need some new fenders maybe if I really want to push it that much. The last thing that I really want to buy, just because I think it's gonna really set it apart. I haven't seen too many G35s. As a matter of fact, I think I've only seen one with these pair of tail lights. Some of you guys may have seen them in a comment that I pinned in a previous video, but they are from Illumisthetic or something like that. I can't pronounce their name, but now I will say this though, one of the reasons why I think that not a lot of people have them is that although they do look cool, they do come at a very steep price. But in order to be distinct, you gotta pay up the price. You already know. Hold up guys, I was gonna go pick up my girlfriend, but I saw a cop right there pulling up, wandering. I'm not risking it anymore, dude. I thought SAT cops were cool. I am not taking my chance this time. I will pull away. I will stop the car right where I'm at. I will not operate. I will tow it back to my house, but you are not giving me another state rep. F that, dude. So these are the tail lights that I'm talking about. They look freaking sick. Now those tail lights are completely custom. Did sell the completed tail lights, but I think they're sold out. So I also received some complaints from you guys saying I should get a better quality mesh. The mesh is black. I don't know if it doesn't look black to some of you guys, but let me know where I can get a better quality mesh. What kind of quality mesh? Like, what's a quality mesh? You want more honeycomb? Like, what's going on? Let me know down in the comment section below where I can grab some better quality mesh here. And these tail lights, should I get them? Just say yes. I'll edit it, don't worry. Yeah. So knowing that, what do you think? Should I get them or what? The last purchase for the car? I think we should. They look sick.
And a front splitter.
Yeah, the front honeycomb splitter too. We need that. 2 things. We only need 2 more things.
The car is complete.
And then the car is officially complete. Hell yeah. How you feeling, Barack?
Like we're gonna scrape?
Oh, dang. Scheiße. Alright, let's hop in the G, and we're gonna go ahead and meet up with some other folks and go to the meet. Somebody got mad at me for not showing the infinity. Here it is. We somehow found parking for all of us, all 9 of us. Somehow we had to maneuver our way because there's a bunch of cars here and it was kind of crazy.
this car. Yep. We got that car. Okay. Man, he's still talking. He didn't even know we left.
I know. No bad.
To get run over.
Hey, it's insurance money.
Oh, you're right. Ooh, is your wing and your trunk?
Yeah. Watch, it says neck clutches on the back of the wing. You need to take it off.
Who edits the video?
He does.
Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, we got, dang, this thing got good quality.
But both good.
So, dude. Cheese. Oh, Yada gang. Okay, get the angles. Oh, we got the Stang. Okay, we got the Supra.
Even a used one is hella expensive.
Yeah, like
It's ridiculous.
these things are like 50, 60K. We got the carbon fiber. Too bad it's not honeycomb though.
Oh, you're right.
We got another carbon fiber wing. Honeycomb? No. Carbon fiber license plate? Sheesh. That's a lot of eyes. Oh, yep, get the angles. Yeah. Oh, okay, we got a little R8 action. We're on bats? Okay. Man's just aired out on us. Yeah. I was vlogging this whole time.
For all the you supporters that came out to me, bro, thank you for the support, bro. Pleasure to meet you guys. Freaking sick, bro. Huh? You were covering the vlog for me? Respect.
Yeah.
Gotta try this new, what is this? Sami?
Sami.
You already ate some. So what is this, bro? Like some waffles?
Yeah,
Ice cream, and they got like a waffle with Nutella inside.
Get a close up of this.
Here we go. Oh, there we go. That's the angle.
Oh shit. This is fire.
I was telling them how you got the new color reveal over here, and you decided to get rid of the carbon fiber accent.
Well, we gotta stay rep.
Yeah.
So we had to put everything in stock, bro. He told me my wheels were too silver. Took them out, put some gold ones. Told me they're legal.
This man's all dripped out. Okay.
Did you change?
You got the Goodwill 11s on. Come on now.
You said 11, this is a 4, nigga.
Did you not hear what I said the first time? I said the Goodwill.
I think this is what it feels to have a cameraman now.
Yeah, I mean,
We
your
got
cameraman?
Robert with the camera work.
Yeah.
We got some blinking lights by some Q50 on the court. But I want the viewers to know. Come over here. Come over here.
All right, follow him.
Honestly,
MTV
bro.
Cribs.
What do you think of the BMW front new grill, bro? I know tons of you guys were hating on that new grill, but honestly, bro, it looks fire, bro.
I kind of dig it, to be
You
honest.
dig it?
I dig it.
Bro, I don't know what you guys are on or something, but that front new grill, if you see it in person, that's just fire.
Split in the middle.
M3 is an M3, bro. This is my dream. It's not my dream car, but it's a super nice ass car, dude.
Super expensive.
It's gay. Leave it alone.
No. Is this your car, man?
Yeah, it's gay.
Man, you get how much you get it for? Wait, haven't started. You got the competition seats?
I don't have the carbon fiber seats.
I mean, that interior is nice though.
They weren't that comfortable at first.
Oh, really?
Look at the M.
Oh, you
Wait,
can see on the camera
can we
too.
get a replay? Did you get it on camera?
Yeah, you can see it. It lit up on the camera.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Let's set it. Oh, bruh. Oh my god.
That's baller.
And
the
this
bags
thing's
coming
available
out.
in a 6-speed, bro. Right, there's 6-speed competition seats, bro. I think that's over 100 G's, huh?
Regular
If
carbon.
you regular carbon, don't talk to me, bro. Nah, just kidding. Just
Dang,
kidding.
I got.
Did I show you the tail lights I'm getting?
Yeah.
Should I get 'em?
Wet,
Should I
yes.
get 'em?
Yes.
Let me know down in the comment section if I should get the tail lights. I'm still gonna get them.
Do they know though?
They know.
They seen
It's
it.
the beginning of the video. They know. What do they know?
Oh.
You guys know, right? They
Just
know.
put a poll in the comment section.
I will. A B and a D or BeDistinct.
Or for bleep energy. Gotta bleep it out. Big dick energy.
Yes, sir.
That she gave that awkward look like, I don't know about that one.
No.
You better back me up. Strong, right? 1 inch strong. 1 inch strong though. It's strong.
Ain't about the
Average
size of the
Brent
boat, but the
person.
motion of the ocean.
That's true.
You know how to use it, it don't matter about the size of the boat.
Yeah, that's true. You can have a car, but you need to know how to drive
I
it.
know.
You can have a semi-truck and not know how to use it.
Facts. 1 inch strong. And I kind of want another ice cream. That looks good. Do I look dark? Oh, it's because this.
Little bit.
Man. Hold on. Do some magic for you guys.
Whoa, it got really bright. How you do that? Woo. Whoa.
You can switch this, bro. It's
Now you're like caramel.
yeah, it's a nice brown.
Like a nice little
It's a nice little
caramelizer.
brown, yeah. No honeycomb. We don't mess with it. We don't make it.
We gotta
Not honeycomb carbon fiber, but it's forged. Forged is a level above us. Let's go check it out. Fiber good right here.
Ooh, and we got it down here.
I gotta give him props. It looks good. Almost fooled me. Almost. And that happened from the revving.
Yep. So what? So guys, I've been the one behind the vlog all day today for Ruben because he's been slacking. He's been talking to people. Just been doing his own thing. Now I'm just talking. Hey, go subscribe to Ghost Flash. Link in the description below. Peace. Tell him.
This man doing
Tell him.
up
Wait.
in here.
Hey, comment down below. Ruben should get a Miata.
All right, we're gonna call it a night.
All right, you gotta outro the video before your camera dies.
All right, guys, let's do it here. Anyways, guys, that was it for the night. Some sick builds, some loud builds, pretty cool. We saw an M3. I didn't know the freaking M3 lit up in the seat. Anyway, that's freaking sick. Anyways, we're gonna order those tail lights today, probably at night, and then hopefully they come in like around 20 days. But besides that, I'll catch you guys next video tomorrow. Thank you guys for the support. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you, Ghost Flash, for the film production, as well as my girlfriend. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Make sure to check out his channel too, man. What's his channel? Ghost Flash 5, right?
Ghost Flash.
Ghost Flash. That's his Instagram, right? Ghost
No,
Flash
Ghost
5.
Flash 5 is Instagram. Ghost Flash
That's
is
what I
YouTube.
said. Ghost Flash 5 is your Instagram.
Yes.
All right. Anyways, I'll just put it right here. Go ahead, check them out. Catch you guys next video. Peace.